Alright. Source. Elevated readings on the drywall still. Got a vanity here. Tile seems okay. Going on here, we got hardwood floors that are pretty well cupped. There's a tripping hazard there. Baseboard pulling off the wall here. Here, probably going to want to pull trim here. This section. That section in behind the laundry room. See if we can't drill and dry it. Carpet stained pretty well in this bedroom here. Dry and clean. We'll see what that does. But this is continuous hardwood throughout the first floor. Into the living area, dining room, kitchen, closets. Here's the entry, office area. I come back this way. We're back down the other side of that hallway. Back in the laundry room. Right in there's the laundry room. Shared wall with this bathroom, full bath. So we're going to try to we'll pull the trim on the other side in the laundry room, drill it and dry it, see what it looks like. And the basement. Big basement. Insulation's wet in and around this light fixture here. I'm going to pull this down, pull any wet stuff out that we can find. Didn't feel anything in the ductwork. Well, we'll keep an eye on that. That's about the gist of this one.